Hi everybody, it's Kim Shivler, your WordPress instructor, and today we're going to install our version of WordPress and get started building our website. I have logged into my web host, and my web host, like many, provides what we call a one-click install. Basically, it's a script that runs everything for you, and all we have to do is enter a few details and boom, our site is going to be installed for us. Now in my host, I come right here to where it says WordPress installer. Depending on your host, you might see something like Softaculous, Quick Install, Fantastico Deluxe. If you're not sure, check with your web host. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on install. So first thing I do is choose my protocol, whether it's my basic protocol or my secure protocol. As you know, I usually recommend secure, but for what I'm doing with this site right now, I am going to just do the HTTP. If you want to have SSL, which is a secure layer, and do the HTTPS, I really recommend checking with your web host because all of them have a little bit different protocol for you to follow. And it has extra configuration. It's not you'll have to have some other configuration before you go and do this, what we're doing right now. So I'm coming down to ecoursestories.com, which is going to be the website for my upcoming podcast. If I wanted it in a subdirectory, I could put that here. We're not going to do that. I'm going to enter my blog name. I'm just going to leave the site description for right now. Leave multi-site alone. That's an advanced topic. And what that does is it allows you to have multiple WordPress installations in one configuration. Think WordPress.com. I'm going to enter my username, and I'm just going to grab and copy their password because I'm going to go back and fix that or change that afterwards, seeing as I'm kind of doing this in public. My language is English. I have my admin email, and I'm not going to put any of the security plugins in by default because we're going to do that in the class. And I'm not going to do a theme here either because, again, we're going to do that in the class. So I click on install, and it tells me it's going to take a few minutes. Don't leave the page. I get to watch the progress. And boom, it's done. It says 3 to 4 minutes, but it is almost always faster than that. So now, in order to log in, this is telling me this is the regular domain, eCourse Stories. And then if I want to log into the back end, the administrative section, this is it, eCoursestories.com/WP-admin. I'm going to go ahead and log us in. And that's the end of the first lesson. We have installed WordPress. Now, there are just 2 more quick lessons before we're done with this module, and I'm really going to ask you, please complete them before you go off and do anything else, because they're very, very important to get done right now before we move on. So this is Kim Shivler, and I'll see you in the next lesson.